Bismillah. Synonyms: complacent, synonyms: complacent, self-satisfied; gentle is polite, well-mannered, stylish; industrious, diligent, hardworking; raise, demolish, destroy; ventricular, ventricular means of, related to, or being; a ventricle, especially of the heart or brain; auricular, related to ear; avuncular, related to uncle; uh, attenuate, to reduce; bone, born, to goal or destination; gaol, jail or prison; lenient, amiable, tender, not strict, gentle; luxurious, lavish, rich; liberal, generous; preconceived, predetermined, prejudiced, biased; abscond, to flee secretly; retreat, withdraw, retire, fall back; decamp, abscond, run away; absolve is discharge, exonerate, acquit; acknowledge means admit, recognize, express thanks; incredible means amazing, astonishing, unbelievable; conceivable means credible, believable; creditable means believable; टेल इज टेल ज्यावेळेस नाऊन असते त्यावेळेस शेपूट आणि टेल ज्यावेळेस वर्ब असेल त्यावेळेस पाठलाग करणे. नेक्स्ट 25 नंबर. ॲस्पिरिटी इज ॲकर्बिटी, ॲसर्बिटी, harshness of tone or manner or roughness. Cruelty is merciless, barbarism. Malignity is malevolence, evilness. Malice is intention to harm. Bon voyage is wishing someone happy journey. Agile means chapad. Humane means kind or gentle. Majestic means great or royal. Perennial means perpetual or long lasting. Vigor means strength, energy, power, force, spirit. Augur means to predict good or bad which will happen in future, to foretell. Abstain means refrain or to hold someone back. Attain means gain or obtain. Presume means to assume. Confer means grant or give. Per percentum means percent. Adipose means fatty. Oleaginous means having property of oil. Wind cheater means jacket with a close fitted neck. Kagolu means a jacket that protects you from the wind or rain. Wind coat means a thin fabric jacket. Calcify means to become hard or stony. Obstinate means stubborn. Obdurate or hard line. Slander means aspersion, calumny, stigma, or dam means kalank. Synonyms, page number 2, that is thrifty means frugal, economical, parsimonious, stingy किंवा काटकसर करणारा. Vilification means condemnation, criticism, abuse, insult, censure. Headstrong means energetically willful and determined. Filthy means messy, impure or foul. Smear means spot, बायूर म्हणजे डाग किंवा कलंक. Sparing means economical, frugal. Thin means gossamer किंवा slosh. Stubborn means obdurate, insistent, obstinate. Defamation means criticize badly. Flummoxed means confused, stumped, bewildered or perplexed. Flummoxed. Next one is pacify means to bring peace or appease. Sanctity means saintliness, holiness. Sanguine means hopeful, optimistic, confident. Sardonic means full form of scorn, full form of scum, full of scorn. Sardonic means full of scorn or mocking. Satiate, satiate means satisfied. Suffrage means the right to vote or franchise. Pain means torture, anguish, suffering. Inconvenience means discomfort, trouble, difficulty. Affect means impact, influence. Pinch means चिमटीत धरणे. Pocky means having a mocking or cynical sense of humor. Viz means namely, उदाहरणार्थ. Constraint means compulsion, restraint, restriction. Contempt means abhorrence, despite, scorn, dis, disdain, or hatred. Next, pity means ruth or mercy. Next, asperity means acerbity, harshness or tone or acerbity, harshness of tone or manner or roughness. Cruelty means merciless or barbarism. पिटी पिटी हो गया. पिटी के बाद में gregarious means sociable, fond of company, companionable. Irritable means fretful, grumpy, easily annoyed. Incorrigible means irreparable, uncorrectable. Susceptible means credulous, one who can easily be influenced or affected by something. Turbid means liquid which is cloudy, opaque or thick with suspended matter, that is turbid. Viscosity means viscous means चिकटपणा. beseech means beg, entreat विनवणी किंवा याचना करणे. Look forward means excited about what is going to happen in future. Quest means search, hunt. Mollify means appease, placate, pacify म्हणजे शांत करणे किंवा शमवणे. क्रायसिफाय म्हणजे एक्झिक्यूट किंवा किल करणे. डिग्निफाय म्हणजेच वर्थ बाय. पॅसिफाय मीन्स वाद मिटवणे. डायटी मीन्स गॉड और गॉडेस. बेनिग्नंट मीन्स लिबरल और जनरस. कीन मीन्स ग्लेअर, शार्प. मेलोडियस मीन्स मेलोडिक, म्युझिकल. मल्टिट्यूड मीन्स गर्दी किंवा थवा. निओलॉजिझम मीन्स न्यूली कॉइंड, इन्व्हेन्शन, न्यू क्रिएशन. Oblique means neither parallel nor at right angles. Diagonal means rectangle. Lucid means expressed clearly. Intricate means complicated or puzzling. Noble means aristocrat किंवा थोर. Spurious means roguish किंवा fake. Magnificent means splendid किंवा impressive. And unfruitful means unproductive. Page 2 झाला. Next, page 3. Aptitude means talent, skill, knack. Cosmos means universe. Crucial means part or parcel. Recalcitrance means obedient or argumentative. Disobedient or argumentative. Next, obstinacy means stubborn nature or behavior. Callous means unkind, heartless, unfeeling, cold-hearted. That is callous. Contagious means infectious. Congruent means agreement on harmony. That is susamvadi. Contemporary means present current belonging to the same time. Knack means talent, skill, aptitude. Exorbitant means excessive, beyond limit. Magnetic means attractive. Idle means slothful, indolent, inactive or lazy. Authority means consent. Odds means strange. Prospects means possibility. Disseminate means spread, distribute or circulate. Savvy means to know or to understand practical knowledge. Savor means chav, ruchi, आवड, sense of taste or flavor. Schism means strong disagreement, split, division or separation. Tornado means violent wind. Cunning means crafty, wily, artful, shy. दॅट इज लबाडो किंवा फसव्या. इंटेलिजंट मीन्स स्कॉलर, क्लेवर, ब्राईट. ऑफुस्केट मीन्स ऑफस्कर, बिवाइल्डर, bewilder, to confuse, difficult to understand. Reveal means uncover or display. Important means weighty, valuable or critical. Really important. Next one is insufferable. Insufferable means unbearable, intolerable or annoying. Venial means excusable, pardonable or trifling. Contagious means infectious or communicable. Worthless means contagious हो गया. Worthless means valueless or useless. Excusable means forgivable. Counterfeit means forged or artificial or fake or false. Counterpart means equivalent or homologue. Courageous means brave क्यों fearless क्यों strong. Contradict means deny, refute, rebut, to say opposite of something, that is contradict. Next one is intractable means unmanageable, uncontrollable, difficult to deal with. Conceit means narcissistic, vanity, pride, that is गर्व कमा अहंकार, हे झालं conceit. नेक्स्ट वन इज ब्राईट मध्ये येते रेडियंट, ल्युमिनियस, इंटेलिजंट, स्कॉलर और ब्रिलियंट, दॅट इज ब्राईट. थेरप्युटिक मध्ये येते हिलिंग, क्युरेटिव्ह और क्युरिंग. प्रून मध्ये येते एड्राइड प्लम म्हणजेच वाळलेला मनुका. ड्राईड प्लम, प्रून म्हणजे ड्राईड प्लम, दॅट इज वाळलेला मनुका किंवा टू कट ऑफ और टू रिमूव्ह. मॉडेस्ट मीन्स मीक और हंबल. ल्युसिड मीन्स कॅन्डिड, विविड और क्लिअर, दॅट इज सुबोध आणि स्पष्ट. मिटल मीन्स फॉर्टिट्यूड, ॲबिलिटी टू कोप वेल विथ डिफिकल्टीज. धमक किंवा धैर्य, दॅट इज मिटल. Jubilant means happy, cheerful. Tyrant means despot, autocrat or dictator, that is tyrant. Monarch means ruler of an absolute monarchy, that is Rajashahi. Eager means desirous, enthusiastic, energetic or curious, that is eager. Devoted means loyal, dedicated. Mundane means worldly, dull, boring. Aihik, prapanchik, sansarik, that is mundane. नेक्स्ट वन इज डेझर्टर्स मीन्स रनअवेज, दॅट इज फरारी किंवा परित्याग केलेला. पेट्रियट मीन्स देशभक्त. ऑनेस्ट मीन्स ट्रुथफुल, जेन्युन. विकेड मीन्स मेनोवलेंट, सिनफुल, इमॉरल, दॅट इज पापी और दुष्ट. मार्जिन मीन्स डिफरन्स, an edge or border. Margin means difference, an edge or border. पेज नंबर 3 झालं. पेज नंबर 4 स्कोप means an opportunity. Cite means quote or to mention. Recollect means remember. Illustrate means to explain in detail. Conceal means to hide or cover. Cultivate means nature or foster or enrich or to make or to or superior. Is cultivate. Congenital means inborn or inherited. Congenial means friendly or sociable. Conjugal means matrimonial or वैवाहिक. Inborn means innate किंवा by birth. Congruous means agreeing or harmonious. Congruous means agreeing or harmonious. Indifferent means apathy, disregard, दुर्लक्ष किंवा बेपर्वाई करणार, indifference. Disinterest means impartiality, निस्वार्थ किंवा तटस्थ. Displeasure means disapproval, feeling of annoyance. Concern means to have reference or connection with. Caution means care, warning. Nerve means courage or boldness. Strength means capability or ability or capacity. Audacity means fearless, nirbhay. Penultimate, penultimate means second last. उपांत्य किंवा शेवटून दुसरा. Vacillate means waver, ठाम मत नसणे. Quiver, quiver means shake, tremble, tremble, धरकाप, थरकाप होणे. That is quiver. क्युअर, क्युअर, शेक, ट्रेमल किंवा थरकाप होणे. क्वीर, क्वीर म्हणजे स्ट्रेंज, अनयुज्युअल, विलक्षण, विचित्र व अपूर्व. ॲम्नेस्टी मीन्स पार्डन, पार्डनिंग और रिप्राईव्ह, राजकीय गुन्हे माफ केले जातात तो काळ, ॲम्नेस्टी. रिलायबिलिटी दॅट इज ट्रस्टवर्दीनेस और फेथफुलनेस, that is reliability. Next one is tender. Tender means caring किंवा kind. Delicate means exquisite or elegant. Quintessence means quality or class, योग्यता, उत्कृष्टता. Reward means बक्षीस. Next one is latent. Latent means hidden or concealed. Brief means in short. Later means after. Loose means not tied up, free or unbound. Placid means calm or not easily excited. There is shant or saumya. Anthology means collection of poems and other pieces of writings. That is anthology. Genocide means killing large number of people. Insecticide means pesticide, कीटकनाशक. Consummate means supreme, faultless, perfect, complete, extremely skilled. Abandon means forsake, desert, disown, leave. Propagate means spread and promote widely. Adopt means to accept. Dominate means to control over. Prologue means introduction of book. Prologue means introduction of Booker play, म्हणजे नाटक, introduction of नाटक, that is prologue. Provocate means doing or saying something deliberately to try to make somebody angry or upset, that is provocate. Epilogue means end of book or play, म्हणजे नाटक. Proliferate means increase rapidly in number or multiply, that is proliferate. Childish means foolish, immature or juvenile. Childlike means innocent. Gratis means without any payment due, free of charge, म्हणजे फुकट, हे झालं gratis. Compliment means supplement or addition. Compliment, COMPLIMENT, means praise, flattering or remark. Penury means very poor, extremely poverty. Affluence means wealthy, luxurious or lavish. Pain means suffering. Fable means imaginary story. Remorse means regret or repentance. Revenge means retaliatory action. Stark means sharp किंवा bare. Hard means very tough or difficult. Very strict means severe or very hard. चलो पेज नंबर 4 फिनिश. पेज नंबर 5. पेज नंबर 5 मध्ये इंडस्ट्रियस, दॅट इज diligent or hardworking. Sensible means perceptible by senses, जाणता किंवा समज असलेला. Proletariat means working class people. Mitigating means the action of reducing the severity or seriousness or painfulness, that is mitigating. Next one is provocative means causing anger. Extreme means highest degree किंवा very great. Extenuating means to lessen the seriousness of something. Culpable means deserving blame. Wind means breath किंवा श्वास. Breeze means a gentle wind. Coil means wound shaped, म्हणजेच गुंडाळलेला. Tedious means boring, dull, tiresome किंवा काटाळवाणे किंवा दीर्घकाळ चालणारे, दमवणारे. Unsuitable means not fitting or inappropriate. Artless means simple or natural. Excessive means beyond limit. Abrupt means sudden, quick or unapexit. Vague means ambiguous, not clear. Indolent means lazy, slothful, रिकामटेकडा. Drowsy means lethargic or sleepy. Fictitious means counterfeit, fictional, not real or false. Capricious means changing behavior suddenly in a way that is difficult to predict. Capricious. Next one is concocted, to make something unusual by mixing different things together. Next one is insinuate. Insinuate means hint, suggest, or intimate. Equitable means fair and responsible, treating everyone in equal way. Despise means loathe, scorn, disrespect. Scold means to rebuke, angrily, that is खरडपट्टी काढणे. Elementary means straightforward, uncomplicated, connected with first stages of learning. Next one is lately, that is recently. Futile, producing no useful result, pointless, useless, or worthless. Meticulous means sculpture, scrupulous, giving on or showing attention in detail. Mandatory means compulsory, obligatory. Cop म्हणजे पोलीस. Idiosyncratic means eccentric, strange, or unusual habit, that is idiosyncratic. Next one is unpleasant, discomfort or unhappiness. Unsuitable, not appropriate. Agility, nimbleness, ability to move quickly. Race, that is root, mood. Casual, denoting to cause. Benevolent, generous, kind, friendly, helpful. Flexible, bendesome, pleasing, enjoyable. Brash, impudent or not showing respect. Showy, show off or brash. Vestibule, passage or hall or lobby. Pantry, small room or cupboard where the food is kept. Adept, having a natural ability, skillful, proficient. Adopt, accept as our own. Adapt, to adjust. Proficient, efficient or skilled person. Eminent, well known and respected. Wretched, miserable, deplorable, grieving. Deplorable, pathetic, shameful, disgraceful, अत्यंत दुःखद और शोचनीय. हे झाले 5 पेजेस. पेज नंबर 6, synonyms. Page number 6, diligent, industrious or skillful. Omnipotent, all powerful, सर्वशक्तिमान. All knowing, omniscient, all knowing म्हणजेच omniscient, सर्वज्ञानी. Everlasting, eternal, forever, perpetual. Merciful, forgiving. Remember, recall. Forget, that we can recall. Forget, that we can't recall, that is forget. Forgive, that is excuse. Perpetual means everlasting. Laudable means deserving commendation, praiseworthy, admirable. Reprehensible, blamable, guilty, culpable or shameful. Annihilation, that is completely destroyed, eradication or destruction. Immortality, that is deathless, amartya. Tremendous progress, that is rapid growth. Full, healthfulness, good health. Meticulous, very careful, giving great attention. Reserved, that is one who does not express much, that is reserved. Indifferent means concerned or uninterested. Plaintive means mournful, pathetic or sounding sad. Impediment, that is hindrance, obstruction or obstacle. Predicament means a difficult, unpleasant or embarrassing situation. White card. Disgrace means dishonor. Graceful means elegant or stylish. Depressed means sad or dukhi. Disappointed means very nervous or sad. Accolade means honor, recognition, privilege, award, gift, title or prize. Affection means love. Applause means approval or praise expressed by clapping. Defer means to postpone or adjourn. Regard means show respect or consider. Refuse means deny. Pragmatic means dealing with problems in practical way or realistic. Theoretical means based on ideas and principles. not on practical experience or conceptual. Instance means example, occasion or occurrence. Novel means new or different, innovative, new or different or innovative. Posthumous means after death, mrityunantar. Credible means a good standard, literary, written works. Brevity means short, quick, concise. Quality of expressing much in few words. Helplessness means feeling of helpless. Conciseness means short and clear. Conciseness means short and clear. Incongruity means unusual, different and mismatch. Industrious means hardworking, diligent. Punctual means doing something at right time. Sensible means perceptible, reasonable, having good judgment. Mourn means lament, feel or show sorrow. Story means tale or katha. Tale means shepherd. Tale means story or katha. Dearth means a lack of something little and scary. Repress means having emotions and desires that one does not show or express. 6 पेज झाला. 7 नंबर पेज. Regret, that is repent, remorse म्हणजे पश्चाताप करणे. Encouraged, give support or confidence. Competence means adroitness, capability, ability and skill. Efficiency means usefulness, कार्यक्षमता. Compensation means मोबदला. Prescribe means advise or suggest. Forfeit means penalty or to lose something. Forbid means proscribe or prohibit. Giant means enormous, strong, large. Voluminous means very lengthy. Urbane means courteous, cultured or polite. Rural means countryside. Proper means appropriate. Phlegmatic 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 means calm, cool, unemotional. Parasite means one who lives on others. Garrulous means loquacious, talkative, badbate. Staled means decayed or clinched, शिळे. Rotten means कुजलेले. Extravagant means spendthrift, spending too much. Foppish means over concerned with his appearance, नखरेबाज पुरुष. Stupefying means making one unable to think, that is stupefying. Tyrannical means autocratic or despotic. Excessive means beyond limit. Gay means happy or cheerful. Direction means instruction. Strange means bizarre, odd or offbeat. Remarkable means astonishment, amazement, very great surprise. Next one is antidote means remedy, cure or solution. Animosity means a strong feeling of anger or hostility or antipathy. Abhorrence means a strong feeling of hate or disgust. Indisposition means lack of enthusiasm or inclination, mild or illness. Legitimacy means conformity to law and rules. Authenticity means genuine. Gentility means social superiority. Sycophant means स्वतःच्या फायद्यासाठी समोरच्याला खुश करणे, that is sycophant. Supporters means well-wisher. Delegant means प्रतिनिधी. Edification means moral or intellectual instruction of someone. Proclamation is public announcement, that is proclamation. Promulgation means the act of making law and decree. Masterly means expertise. Bossy means dominating. Manly means woman who behave like man. Remittance means allowance, settlement and commission. Allowance, settlement and commission. Omission means deletion. Remission means suspension, revocation, cancellation. Meager means very small or insufficient. Decree means official order given by government or rules. Declare means announce. Decrepit means feeble, old and in very bad condition, that is decrepit. Wicked means evil. Feeble means weak. Deceit means deception, fraud and trick. Forgery means crime. Humbug means deceptive or false talk or behavior, खोटी चर्चा किंवा वर्तन. Quack means sound of duck. Correspondent means news reporter. Affinity means strong feeling that you like harmony and that you like harmony किंवा proximity. Resemblance means similarity, parallel. Outcome means result. To come out means to reveal. Outclass means superior, better than others. Dishy means sexual attractive. Alert means watchful. Careful means one who is very cautious. Thoughtful means careful consideration. Polite means courteous, well mannered, civil, number. Industrious means assiduous, hardworking. Industrial means related to industry. Disease means death. Disease means azar. Malady means ailment or a disease or a disease. Sensible means sagacious, shrewd, realistic. Sensitive means sensitive means thoughtful. Absurd means not at all logical or sensible. Ridiculous, inconsistent means not in logic or sense. Adequate means enough. Periphery means a margin, boundary or border. Partial means incomplete. Solitude means loneliness, aloneness. Spectacular means breathtaking, eye-catching. Crowded means mob. Conventional means traditional, according to customs. According Convenient means suitable, appropriate. Disclaim means disown, refuse to acknowledge or renounce. Deserve means having worth. Proclaim means announce officially and or publicly. A crying will means deep rooted will, worst form of crime against humanity, that is a crying will. Next one is disinterested, that is fair, unbiased, impartial and impersonal, that is disinterested. Prejudiced means biased. Deceased means dead. Unconscious means not aware. Scrupulous means meticulous, careful, attentive. Spendthrift means spends more. Imitate means copy a person or speech. Discriminate means different. Assess means evaluate. Fabricate means construct or manufacture. Split up means ending of relationship. Solicit means request, कडकडीची विनंती. Sequester means isolated and hidden away, that is seclude. Equalize means to make the things in same way. Seeker means searching. Precipitate means prematurely happen suddenly. Predominant, strongest or main element principle mostly, that is predominant. Extraordinary means exceptional. Apparently means evidently or स्पष्टपणे. Sections means group of people. Conscious means aware. Insecticide means killing of insects. Homicide means killing of persons. Particide means killing of one's father. पेज नंबर 8 फिनिश. पेज नंबर 9 ची सुरुवात करावी लागेल ह्याच्या पुढे. Synonyms, page number 7. Regret, repent, remorse, पश्चाताप करणे. Encouraged, give support or confidence. Competence, adroitness, capability, ability, skill. Efficiency, usefulness, कार्यक्षमता. Compensation, मोबदला. Prescribe, advise or suggest. Forfeit, penalty, to lose something. Forbid, proscribe, prohibit. Giant, enormous, strong, large. Voluminous, very lengthy. Urbane, courteous, custard, polite. Rural, countryside. Proper, appropriate. Phlegmatic, calm, cool, unemotional. Parasite, one who lives on others. Garrulous, loquacious, talkative, बड़बड़िया. Stated, decayed, clinched, शिळे. Rotten, कुजलेले. Extravagant, spendthrift, spending too much. Foppish, over concerned with his appearance, नखरेबाज पुरुष. Stupefying, making one unable to think. Tyrannical, autocratic, despotic. Excessive, beyond limit. Gay, happy, cheerful. direction, instruction. Strange, bizarre, odd, offbeat. Remarkable, astonishment, amazement, very great surprise. Next one is antidote, remedy, cure, solution. Animosity, a strong feeling of anger, hostility, antipathy. Abhorrence, a strong feeling of hate and disgust. Indisposition, lack of enthusiasm or inclination, mild illness. Legitimacy, conformity to law and rules. Authenticity, genuine. Gentility, social superiority. सायकोफंट, स्वतःच्या फायद्यासाठी समोरच्याला खुश करणे. सपोर्टर्स, वेल विशर. डेलिगेट, प्रतिनिधी. एडिफिकेशन, moral or intellectual instruction of someone. Proclamation, public announcement. Promulgation, the act of making law and decree. Masterly, expertise. Bossy, dominating. Manly, woman who behave like man. Remittance, allowance, settlement, commission. Omission, that is deletion. Remission, that is suspension, revocation, cancellation. Meager, that is very small, inefficient, insufficient. Next one is decree, official order given by government or rules. Declare, announce. Decrepit, feeble, odd and in very bad condition. Wicked, evil. Feeble, that is weak. Deceit, deception, fraud, trick. Page number 7 finish. Next one is page number 8. Forgery, that is crime. Humbug, that is deceptive or false talk or behavior. खोटी चर्चा किंवा वर्तन, that is humbug. Quack, sound of duck. Correspondent, news reporter. Affinity, strong feeling that you like. Harmony, proximity. Resemblance, similarity or parallel. Outcome, result. To come out, to reveal. Outclass, superior, better than others. Dishy, sexually attractive. Alert, watchful. Careful, one who is very cautious. Thoughtful, careful and consideration. Polite, courteous, well mannered, civil, namra, that is polite. Industrious, assiduous, hardworking. Industrial, related to industry. Disease, that is death. Disease, that is azar. Malady, ailment, malady, that is ailment or a disease. Sensible, sagacious, shrewd, realistic. Sensitive, that is thoughtful. Absurd, that is not at all logical or sensible or ridiculous. Inconsistent, not in logic or sense. Adequate, that is enough. Periphery, a margin, boundary or border. Partial, that is incomplete. Solitude, that is loneliness, aloneness. Spectacular, that is breathtaking, eye-catching. Crowded, that is mob. Conventional, that is traditional, according to customs. Convenient, that is suitable, appropriate. Disclaim, that is disown, refuse to acknowledge or renounce. Deserve, that is having worth. Proclaim, that is announce officially or publicly. A crying will, that is deep rooted will, worst form of crime against humanity, that is crying will. Disinterested, that is fair, unbiased, impartial, impersonal, that is disinterested. Next one is prejudiced, that is biased. Deceased, that is dead. Unconscious, not aware. Scrupulous, that is meticulous, careful, attentive. Spendthrift, that is spends more. Imitate, that is copy a person or speech. Discriminate, differentiate. Assess, that is evaluate. Fabricate, that is construct or manufacture. Split up, that is ending of relationship. Solicit, that is request, कळकळीची विनंती, that is solicit. Sequester, that is isolated and hidden away or seclude. Equalize, to make the things in the same way, that is equalize. Seeker, that is searching. Precipitate, that is prematurely, happen suddenly. Predominant, strongest or main element. Principal or mostly, that is predominant. एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी, एक्सेप्शनल, apparently, evidently, स्पष्टपणे. Sections, groups, sections, that is groups of people. Conscious, conscious, that is aware. Insecticide, killing of insects. Homicide, killing of persons. Particide, killing of father, killing of one's father. Page number 7, page number 8 finish. Page number 9, execute. Execute, put into effect, carry out or implement. Capital offense, crime punishable by death. Enlightened, rational, modern and well informed. Outlook or aware, that is enlightened. Next one is individualistic, more interested in individual people or singular. Conformist, conservative. Conformist, that is conservative or a traditionalist. Elite, that is superior class in the society. Looking forward to, expect something. Predicting, that is to forecast. Visualizing, to envisage. Respectful, that is showing respect. Deserving respect, get respect from others. Respecting oneself, lover of self. Consensus, unanimity, concurrence or agreement. Provenance, that is place of origin. Diplomatic etiquette, a set of rules to be observed between the two states or nations. Destiny, that is fate. Wisdom, that is wise म्हणजे शहाणपणा. Vamos, to leave, hurriedly or quickly or decamp, that is vamos. To and fro, backward and forward. Shrink, that is lessen, become more smaller in size. Brusque, this is brusque, BRUSQUE, that is blunt in manner or speech often to the point or ungracious harshness. Next one is precipitous, done suddenly and without careful consideration. Abrupt, that is sudden or unexpected. Coarse, not published, rough and harsh. Next one is indecent, that is obscene or vulgar. Ill mannered, that is rudeness. Contemplate, that is ponder, look thoughtfully, think deeply. Scrutinize, that is to examine something very carefully. Colossal, tremendous, huge, enormous. Dreadful, suffering, fear, extremely bad or frightful. Frightful, that is dreadful or horrible. Monstrous, evil, wrong or ugly. Tremendous, that is huge. Precipitation, that is appeasement. Appeasement. Ritual, that is ceremony, convention or custom. Indolence, that is laziness or sloth. Leniency, that is mercy or clemency. Stagnation, that is no growth or constant. Faultless, that is no error. Fuzzy, that is fastidious. Hard to please, that is fuzzy. Precise, that is in brief or perfect. Integrity, that is unity. Knavery, that is dishonest or unfair or dishonest or unfair behavior. That is knavery. Distinctness, that is being different. Disillusionment, that is disappointment. Perjury, that is खोटी साक्ष देणे. Ecstasy, that is great happiness or joyful. Rapture, feeling of intense pleasure or joy. Pleasure, feeling of happy satisfaction and enjoyment. Drunkenness, state of being drunk, intoxication. Sorrow, that is sadness. Sobriety, that is humility, modesty and shyness. Serenity, that is peaceful and calm. Pride, that is vanity, means garva. Sinfulness means evil act. Page number 9 finish. Page number 10. Page number 10. Blith is happy or carefree or cheerful. Giddy, that is weak or dizzy. graceful, that is stylish or elegant, otherworldly, that is beyond this daily life, imaginary or spiritual, mystic, that is mysterious, effect, that is result or outcome, catastrophe, that is adversity, disaster or calamity, lull, lull, lull means calm, sooth or quiet, tumult, tumult means turmoil, confusion or disorder, verbose means wordy, using more words than that are necessary, that is verbose. Next one is refuse means deny, infuse means to instill or to pour, abuse means misuse, delectable means delicious, delightful or lovely, velocity means rapidity, speediness, fastness, quickness, that is velocity, idleness, that's idleness means laziness, ferocity means fierce, violent, cruel and aggressive behavior, debilitate means wearing, tiring or weak, that is debilitate. Next one is conveniently means without difficulty or suitable, Eldorado, Eldorado means golden city, colloquial, colloquial means only the spoken language, frugal means sparing, thrifty, economical, काटकसरी किंवा कंजूस हे झालं फ्रुगल. Destruction means demolition with one's, oral means dental, up to the mark means up to the standard, envy means jealousy, envy means jealousy, queer means strange or unusual, curious means eager to learn, unfamiliar means not known. Next one is phlegmatic means calm, cool, unemotional, garrulous means loquacious or talkative, introvert means egoistic, reserved or quiet, garrulousच्या विरुद्ध introvert. Pantheist means the religion believe that God is in everything, in nature and in universe. Religion which believes that God is in everything, in nature and in universe, that is pantheist. Fictitious, false, imaginary, unreal, foul, invalid or unfair, faltering, pausing or halting before doing any work because of fear, momentous, significant, judicious, sage, sane, prudent, wise, viveki, स्वभाव, judicial related to court, fanciful, not likely to succeed or happen in the real world, imaginative and unrealistic. Haughty means timid, supercilious, arrogant म्हणजेच अहंकारी और गर्विष्ठ. Imperial means royal, empire means empire means realm or kingdom. Imperious means arrogant म्हणजेच उद्धट, निष्ठुर, imperious means arrogant. Callous means not caring about the suffering at others people, unkind or insensitive. Brittle means can be broken easily. Recreation means pleasure, leisure, relaxation, fun, enjoyment, entertainment, amusement. Diversion means turning away from the path. Prosperity means progress or success. And antagonist means hostility, enmity, rivalry, opposition, that is antagonist. Decency means behavior that conforms to accept standards of morality or respectability. Civilized means proper, educated. Tranquil means calm and peaceful and without noise. And quiet means completely. QUITE, quiet means completely. 10 number page finish. Next one is page number 11. Humility means quality of having a modest obedience. Mirth means amusement, especially expressed in the laughter. Frugal means stingy, economical. Frown means furrow. One's browns in an expression, indication, disapproval or displeasure. That is frow. Aversion means antipathy, strong feeling of dislike. Liking means fond of, म्हणजेच गोडी असणे. Preference means choice. Crucial means decisive, critical and deciding. Dreadful means fear or causing happiness, or extremely bad or serious. Malice means the desire to harm someone, wrongly intention or bitterness. Standby means reserve or awaiting. Naughty means tangled, confused, complicated, difficult or complex. Petty means trivial, little importance, म्हणजेच क्षुल्लक. Fragile means easily broken or damaged. Delicate means very fine and graceful. Sufficient means enough or adequate. Scarce means not existing in large quantity. Tolerate means put up with or bear, म्हणजे सहन करणे. Antidote means remedy. And anecdote means a short amusing or interesting story, that is anecdote. Apparatus means technical equipment. Next one is emetic. Emetic means vomiting. Brazen means shameless, bold, brash, ashamed. Condemned means denounce or criticize. Ashamed means shameful or guilty. Elegant means neat, simple, clever, intelligent. Intimate means closely acquainted. Crafty means cunning, shrewd, म्हणजे कपटी किंवा धूर्त, that is crafty. Next one is handy. Handy means useful, convenient. Profusely means abundantly. Profusely means abundantly, great degree, in large amount, that is profusely, म्हणजे खूप जास्त. Clumsy means in an awkward and careless way, that is बेपरवाहीने. Promptly means quickly. Thorough means completely. Throne means head of power. Agony means pain or suffering. Contempt means disregard, distaste, म्हणजे तिरस्काराची भावना. Next one is to challenge. To challenge means competition or contest. Docile means obedient, submissive, ready to accept control or instruction, that is docile. Next one is hesitant means uncertain or doubtful. Renowned means famed, eminent, highly honored person, that is renowned. Inculcate means instill, मनावर बिंबवणे. Temperate means सौम्य तापमानाचा प्रदेश किंवा हवामानाचा संदर्भ, that is temperate. Vanity means excessive pride. Narcissism, arrogance, conceit, म्हणजे स्वतःची प्रशंसा करणे, that is vanity. Next one is dexterity means skill with hands, म्हणजे हस्तकला, that is dexterity. Next one is adversity. Predicament, disaster, hardship, misfortune, that is adversity. Next one is poverty means poor. Disgrace means loss of reputation or respect as the result of dishonorable action or humiliation, that is disgrace. Divine means heavenly. Elevated means lifted at high. Next one is invisible means न दिसण्याजोगे. Defection means departure, deviation. Courtesy means politeness, good manner. Appeal means make serious, urgent, heartfelt. Request, कळकळीची विनंती, that is appeal. Plead means beg or entreat. Impose means force order. Abundantly means ample, plentiful or plenty. Next one is scanty means insufficient. Emancipate means set free or liberate. Next one is enslave. Make someone a slave. Shackle, एखाद्याला गुलाम बनविणे. Materialistic means excessively concerned with the physical comforts at the acquisition of wealth and material possession. Worldly or temporal, that is materialistic. Praiseworthy, deserving approval and admiration. Laudable, creditable, that is praiseworthy. Credulous means one who easily believes in others, that is credulous. Credible means able to be believed. And next one is incredible, impossible to believe. Orthodox, conservative or conventional. Aggravating means irritate, making a problem worse or more serious, that is aggravating. Next one is enticing. एंटायसिंग मीन्स ॲल्युरिंग ऑर अपीलिंग ऑर अट्रॅक्टिव्ह. बऱ्याच वेळा खोट्या किंवा अतिशयोक्तीपूर्व गोष्टीच तुम्हाला चुकीच्या गोष्टी करण्यास भाग पाडतात. मोहक आकर्षक. दॅट इज एंटायसिंग. एथियस्टिक means not to believe in God. That is atheist. And synonyms are over.